fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got a cold heart. I know I gotta keep my shorty on go. Drop that ass to the floor, yeah. Whoa, you ain't gotta do it none of these.
Hey y'all, what's up? Good morning, welcome back to my channel. I go by the Fashion Doll. Before we get into this video, I want y'all to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and subscribe to your girl. Stop playing, you know, comment below, say hello, and let's just jump into it. As you can see from the title, today's video is a mall run. So I'm going to the Louis Vuitton store. Yes baby, gotta go pick something up, and I might stop and give me a smoothie while I'm out. I need to probably stop at the furniture store because I seen something I really liked online, but I wanted to make sure that it looks the same as it does online in person. So I'll probably go do that. I'm about to put my pot roast in because that's what I'm going to be cooking for dinner. I'm going to be making a pot roast, carrots, potatoes, and gravy. So I'm going to put that in a few. Now I'm going to get myself together because my mommy is going to ride with me. So I'm going to scoop her up before I head out there. What else? Yeah, that's right about it. So guys, let's get into it.
Working me, she working me, urging me, it be urging me. Chill it up, the top of the curtain please. I decided to go up like Major League. She just popped the perky just like poking beans. She just popped the perky, say I hurt her knee. She hurting me, rich don't Hercules. 2 cups, Martell, pour it neat. Serve a fiend, fuck a bitch and go to sleep. I need to get me before we leave. No key, pull up, remember me.
So guys, I did my makeup. I don't know why I did all this little extra beat because I forgot we gotta wear a mask, but you know your girl ain't did a look in a while, so I just thought I'd show y'all this little glow I got going on right now. But and look at these lips, y'all, baby, no fillers, all me, all natural. People wish they had these lips. But no, so like I said, I did my makeup, I did my hair. I'm about to fix me something to eat because I am extremely hungry. My stomach growling. I already put my pot roast on, so after I eat, I'm gonna get dressed. Oh, my stomach growling now, and then I'll be headed out after that. So I'll probably see y'all when I'm in the car or whatnot. So yes baby, look at that glow. The highlight popping. Yeah y'all, so I'm dressed. So I just got on a Fashion Nova men hoodie, Fashion Nova biker shorts, some Vans, and then I have my little basketball purse and my glasses. So this is my look for today, cute and comfortable. So I'm about to head out to the car wash and then get my mom. So I will see y'all when I get to her house. I feel like my camera is not leveled. I need to level my camera. Y'all, so the deal here is some things are open, some things still not open. I think most things open on the 15th, like the nail salon and the hair shops or whatever. So I got an appointment next Saturday to go get my hair done. I got an appointment next Friday for my eyebrows. As far as the nail shops and toes, oh my god, I need to find somebody ASAP because I know it's gonna be packed probably when they first open. Or hopefully people like, you know, kind of iffy about going, which I am, but fuck it, YOLO. I'm gonna be safe though. So I'm gonna definitely get myself together because baby, it's been a minute and I've been looking a little rough. Oh, I got that water in the back of my car and it's just like sliding everywhere. But all right y'all, I was just checking in for a second. I'll see y'all Probably when I get to the mall or when I get my mom. I don't know when I'm coming back out here. I'm debating if I got time to stop at this furniture store. I don't know, but it's only like, I think it's like 6 minutes from my mom's house, so I might have time to stop in there right quick.
What is that?
What they be doing? Something. Oh, I got my mommy. Wave your little hand over here, mama. Okay, so we headed to the mall now, so I'll see you guys when I get to the mall. But y'all, I'm so excited because I'm about to go get my stuff. Period, poo. Alright, I'll see you.
I remember me. Take a way back, Lil Jon energy. Pockets real fat, Cashville, Tennessee. Fight a blunt, it done died off, yeah. Ride off, bitches ride off, yeah. Yo, boss, he done died off, yeah. I just cut the dirty.
I got my mask on and I can't breathe. I don't know how long I can do this. Walking around with one up. But I guess you can't get inside the store. Hold on. Down there. Oh, I hope the line ain't ready. It's over there, but look at this line. It's cute. I can barely breathe. So it's a line. The line is not that bad. Like Gucci store line is hella long. I'll see y'all in a minute. This one cute. It's little. But it looks too nice. He's cute. Oh, look at my feet. Waiting on my foot. But I doubt it if it matches. But I want to see it before. Yeah, but it's still reversible. This one? This is it, right?
If I do that, may I just have you sign for me here, please?
Ooh, I got a big old. Ooh, I'm breaking up. It's cute. It's been forever since I used the kid. I'm trying to think I remember it. Okay, it says mine. Let me see. What's the pink? Let me try this.
Wait, let me redo it.
Okay.
Hang on one second.
Where am I? The line was long as hell, but it was worth it, and my sales rep was nice. Even the one who helped me on the phone. But pride. Y'all, I got My first Louis Vuitton purchase. I'm so geek. Hard work pay off. I was at home, being a home, stay at home mom, you know. Got off my ass, got a job, now look. I said got off my ass and got a job, now look. Mark, can you get one on this one too right quick? Okay, that's it. Okay. Baby! Ooh! Oh, hey. Let the Lord say amen. It was worth it. So y'all, just dropped my mom off. I'm not about to go get a smoothie because I might just make one at home. I'm hungry, so I'm about to go home and eat. My mom got this cute little ball for the baby.
Herself coming out looking like that. Hey, girl!
Y'all, I'm back home, so I'm gonna show y'all my roast. Ooh, and my carrots. So this is what my roast and carrots look like. It looks pretty damn good. It came out good. So I'm about to cut up my potatoes. I'm gonna do roasted potatoes, I guess, and make my gravy, and then we're about to eat. So I guess I'll probably be back after dinner, or I don't know. Oh my gosh, y'all, look how tender. Like, I just put the spoon in there. Oh my god, that looks so good. So yeah, so I don't know, I guess I'll be back after everything done just to show y'all my complete meal, and then I might try to close this vlog out. So I'll see y'all in a second. Okay guys, so I just seasoned my potatoes. They're about to go in the oven. Okay guys, so my dinner is done. And this is my roasted potatoes, corn on the cob, carrots, and roast. I have my gravy right here, so I'm about to pour some gravy on my roast. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this vlog of shopping with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Peace.